Welcome back to the Super Memory for Schools program. Today, we will learn together in Unit 2, Making Arrangements, Lesson 2. First, let's find out the words appear in the lesson. We have deaf mute, deaf mute.
Có nghĩa là người câm điếc, những người không thể nghe hoặc là không thể nói.
Speech, speech. This is the noun of the verb speak that you often use. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition.
Là cuộc triển lãm.
Commercial use, commercial use.
Là sử dụng mang tính chất thương mại.
It simply means taking something for exchange or trade. Emigrate, emigrate.
Emigrate có nghĩa là di cư.
For example, you live in Vietnam and you emigrate to the US. Experiment, experiment, experiment.
Có nghĩa là thí nghiệm.
Delivery, delivery, delivery.
Có nghĩa là việc giao hàng.
Stationery, stationery.
Là văn phòng phẩm.
Such as pen, ruler, paper, and so on. Assistant, assistant.
Là người phụ tá, người trợ lý.
Transmit, transmit.
Transmit có nghĩa là truyền, phát tín hiệu.
Invent, invent.
Là phát minh ra một thứ gì đó.
Demonstrate, demonstrate.
Là trình bày với lại đám đông hoặc là trình bày một thứ gì với một ai đó.
Come up with something, come up with something.
Có nghĩa là nghĩ ra hoặc là nảy ra một cái ý tưởng nào đó.
Come up with something. And in today's grammar section, we will review a little about a grammatical tense which you learned in grade 6. That is, be going to, or the tense of near future. Let's take a look at the formula for the near future tense. In the near future tense, we will have the formula in positive form, subject plus am is are plus going to, and the base infinitive of verb 1. In the negative form, we have subject plus am is are plus not, going to, and verb 1. In the question form, we have am is are plus subject plus going to and verb 1. These are very familiar things in grade 6, right? Regarding the usage of the near future tense, we use the near future tense to talk about an intention, or a plan of ours that has been planned, which is almost certain to happen in the future. For example, we have the sentence, they are going to travel to Vũng Tàu this week. They are going to travel to Vũng Tàu this week. And they planned this travel in advance, not spontaneously. Mainly in this lesson, I want to expand a little about the usage of the near future tense in sentence transformation exercises. That is, we will apply the near future tense and add 2 more formulas with the same meaning. The first is that instead of using subject plus be going to plus verb 1 of the near future, it would be equal to the structure subject plus intend to plus verb 1. Intend to means plan to do something. Or you can use the third formula, which is subject plus have has intention of verbing, which means that someone plans to do something. Now let's look at the examples. For example, the sentence would be, they are going to visit their grandparents. They are going to visit their grandparents. Then instead of simply using be going to plus verb bare infinity, let's use the 2 formulas I just gave you. First formula, they intend to visit their grandparents. Use the verb intend to, verb 1. Or we can use they have intention of visiting their grandparents. Use have intention of, and please note that verb being not verb 1. Second example, he is going to buy a new car.
Ảnh dự định mua một chiếc xe mới.
We extend the formula. He intends to buy a new car. He has intention of buying a new car. He has intention of buying a new car. Has intention of verbing. I'm going to play soccer this afternoon.
Tôi dự định chơi đá banh vào buổi chiều nay.
It will be the equivalent of I intend to play soccer this afternoon. Or I have intention of playing soccer this afternoon. And now, let's review what we learned in today's lesson. Deaf mute. Deaf mute.
Có nghĩa là cầm điếc.
Speech. Speech.
Lời nói.
Exhibition. Exhibition.
Cuộc triển lãm.
Stationary. Stationary.
Văn phòng phẩm.
Assistant. Assistant.
Người trợ lý. Phụ tá.
Experiment. Experiment.
Cuộc thí nghiệm.
Delivery. Delivery.
Việc giao hàng.
Commercial use. Commercial use.
Sử dụng mang tính chất thương mại.
Emigrate. Emigrate.
Di cư.
Transmit. Transmit.
Là truyền phát.
Demonstrate. Demonstrate.
Trình bày.
Invent. Invent.
Phát minh.
Come up with something. Come up with something.
Nảy ra một cái thứ gì đó mới.
And furthermore, in this lesson, we also review the formula as well as how to use be going to the near future tense. And you need to pay attention the most to two expanded formulas of be going to the near future tense. That is, be going to plus verb 1, an infinitive verb, will be similar to, equal to, intend to plus verb 1, or have, has, intention of verb ing. That's all we need to keep in mind in today's Unit 2, Making Arrangements, Lesson 2. Mr. Hui will see you soon in the next lesson of the Super Memory for Schools program. Goodbye, see you again.